So we also prepare to fight this act to the Supreme Court. Shri Narendra Modi ji started attacking minority communities, not only the Muslims. Today, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee organizing this press briefing in connection with recently passed by both houses of parliament, that is Waqf Amendment Act 2025. You know, our party, Congress party, right from the day one, when the NDA government prepared the bill before it is stable, both houses of parliament, our party stand is very clear. We are totally opposed this bill because India, you know, is a secular country. This present government at the center, that is NDA government, led by Shri Narendra Modi ji, started attacking minority communities, not only the Muslims, the other minorities also. Who knows, they may be one by one, they may be started attacking. That's why from the day one where they proposed this bill, we oppose it, and simultaneously they have referred to the Joint Parliamentary Committee of the Parliament. That is also we oppose it, but they forcibly passed this bill, both houses of Parliament, Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Now it has become act because the President of India has given assent of this act. Even then, we will fight. Definitely, we will take legal help from the top court, from our AICC, that is All India Congress Committee also already started filing to the Supreme Court. And likewise, our state unit, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee also had same view, and our stand is very clear. So we also prepare to fight this act to the Supreme Court. Our colleagues, Muhammad Fazur Rahim, Honorable ex-MLA, Working Committee President of Mpcc, and then Secretary Muhammad Amin Shah, Honorable ex-MLA, they are leaving today except in the evening for Delhi. Either latest by Tuesday or Wednesday. Before that, we will definitely fight to the Supreme Court and will challenge against this act.